While avocados are incredibly nutritious and beneficial, eating them daily for an extended period may have some downsides depending on individual circumstances. Let's explore them. Number 1. Your body may undergo an allergic reactions. Some people may have an avocado allergy, which can cause symptoms like itching, swelling, or stomach discomfort. If you experience any unusual reactions, discontinue eating avocados and consult a doctor. Number 2. You can get serious stomach issues from excess fiber. The recommended daily intake of fiber is 28 to 34 grams, and a single avocado contains about 10 grams of fiber. While this is great for promoting healthy digestion, eating an avocado every day for 30 days means consuming 300 grams of fiber from this fruit alone. For some people, this can overwhelm the digestive system, leading to discomfort, bloating, or even diarrhea. To avoid these issues, consider balancing your diet by reducing other high-fiber foods when adding avocados to your daily meals. Number 3. High-calorie content. Avocados are calorie-dense, with one medium avocado containing around 240 calories. So if you're not mindful of portion sizes, daily consumption could contribute to a calorie surplus, potentially leading to weight gain instead of weight loss. Number 4. Potential weight management challenges. Although avocados promote satiety, eating them excessively or without adjusting your overall diet may offset their benefits. Over-reliance on avocados for nutrients could also crowd out other healthy foods. Number 5. High potassium levels. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, but for individuals with kidney disease or conditions like hyperkalemia, consuming them daily can be harmful and may lead to serious complications. Why some people should avoid this challenge for the sake of their health. Avocados are healthy, but they might interfere with some medications. Their vitamin K content can affect blood thinners like warfarin, making them less effective. They might also impact how certain cholesterol-lowering drugs work. If you're on medication, check with your doctor before eating avocados daily. That's all for today. Hope you liked this video. See you in the next one.